Finally, my 5 shifts are over. We are finally getting out of this parking lot. Hey guys, you ready? We're going to the beach. Yeah. Hi, Gucci and Bella. Are you excited? We're going to the beach. They're excited. And so am I. All right, we're off. Got some groceries. Got the babies in the back. So there's nothing to do in the town of Merced. So on my days off, if I don't have a ton of days off for me to like drive all the way back to Las Vegas, I do go camping somewhere, but there's nothing to do in the town of Merced. You have to drive at least an hour or two to do anything. And seeing that my happy place is the beach, that's where I like to go. There's a few campgrounds that are just like 2 hours away that are like my go-to. And today we're going to one of them. We're going to Sunset State Beach Park in Watsonville. Hi, Gucci. What are you doing back there, buddy? Are we going on a trip? That's a side of Vanlife they don't show you. Every time. And it's got latches on it. But every time we go on the road, that stupid thing opens up. It's annoying. Nothing ever falls out, but the thing just opens up. My feet, buddy. Oh, you're so handsome. You're so handsome. Back up, Gucci. Cat almost came out. All right, so we stopped at the local grocery store to pick up some firewood because it's half the price than if you got it at the campground. See, there is the ocean. Gucci, what you doing? Don't worry, guys. We're driving super slow. We are in the campground, heading to our campsite. Gucci is super excited. Are you excited, Gucci? Are you excited? What about you, Bella? Are you excited to be at the beach? I know. I'm excited to be at the beach. It's my happy place. That is the ocean. That's why I love this campground. Kind of get the best of both worlds. You got, you know, your trees and stuff like that, but it is right by the ocean. We are at our campsite. I'm just gonna put the window covers up and yeah. So I just have this one, which is awesome for keeping all the heat out of the car. Some of my favorites. 1, 2, and 3. Cleaning the toilet. I emptied it when we first got here, and I'm just going to clean it, put in a new refill. I know. How are you guys liking my YouTube video so far? I tell you all the glamorous stuff that we do in van life. Cleaning the toilet. And just like that, toilet is ready to use. Again, all the glamorous things. All right, so I'm just going for a little walk, check out my campsite, go to the beach, get some vitamin C. As if you guys know me, you know, the beach is one of my favorite places to be. So not a super exciting day, but definitely a super peaceful day. Oh, look at that, that's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Anyways, super peaceful day. Usually my first day off is kind of like a day because I'm too tired to do much of anything. But I always have the energy to come to the beach and just relax. It kind of helps reset everything, you know? It is kind of ironic though that I am a water sign, so you would think I need to be near the water, which I do. I do need to be near the water. However, my home base is Las Vegas. Can't get any more not water than Las Vegas. So any chance that I get when I'm traveling to be near the ocean, you know this chick is there. It's gonna be cold. Oh, let's go. Doing it. Oh, it's so cold. That's so cold. Normally, I like to have a campfire when I'm camping, but this is my site. Not exactly the most user-friendly camping site here. It's so sunny here. There's Bella. I don't think I'm going to do a campfire for tonight because that site is just sad. So when it starts to get dark, I always put my window covers up because it does keep the heat in here. Even though it's warm during the day right now here in California, at night it still gets pretty cold. So I like to try to retain some of that heat that we collected during the day. Right now you can see it is 70 degrees in here, which is pretty good. But probably by morning it'll be down to like 55, which is actually not bad. I don't even need the heat for that. This down comforter keeps me super warm. That and being 50 years old and menopausal, so. So today's almost over. I'm super exhausted. That's usually how I get on my very first night off. I only slept for about 2 hours this morning before getting on the road to drive 2 hours so I could come to this campsite by the ocean. But I'm tired. I'm just going to wind down, probably watch some movies that I've downloaded because I don't really have any cell service here. I mean, I have cell service if I walk towards the beach, but in my van right now, I don't have any cell service. So we're just gonna chill out for the rest of the night, get some sleep, some well-deserved sleep. And then tomorrow, maybe do a picnic on the beach. And then I have kind of a doctor's appointment tomorrow for my thyroid. No big deal. What do you say, Gucci? You want to go get in the bed? You want to go snuggle? You want to go get some snuggles on in the bed? Huh? Look at this little boy. Is he not the sweetest? Gucci. Oh, this little boy. He's so cute.